Welcome to the live SoloFury pool dashboard for Bitcoin solo mining. This is a real-time view of the pool's activity on the Bitcoin chain, pulling live data from our own full nodes with no account or login required. We believe in probabilities, not promises, and everything you see here is refreshed automatically to ensure complete transparency. Take a look at the status bar at the top. It currently shows all good, indicating the pool is operational and connected. You can also see the countdown timer for the next automatic data refresh, keeping your view of the chain current. The coin selector row lists Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin 2, Bitcoin Cash 2, and eCash. While we're focusing on Bitcoin today, it's important to note that the same comprehensive dashboard exists for all 5 SHA-256 chains, all mineable with your existing hardware. Let's walk through the statistics cards one by one. The pool hash rate shows the total work currently pointed at this specific chain, while ASIC Online tracks the number of machines connected right now. We monitor the coin price and block reward to help you understand current mining incentives. Network hash rate represents the total global competition, and pool share reveals our slice of that effort. Best share indicates how close a miner in this pool has come to finding a block recently, and net difficulty scales the task at hand. Looking at pool blocks, we are blunt. It currently shows 0. This is the reality of solo mining Bitcoin. Even a whole pool can wait a long time for a block find, and we show that data without embellishment. Moving down to the pool mining chart, notice the data toggles for hash rate, accepted, difficulty, and blocks. Each of these allows you to overlay different metrics on the same timeline, providing a multidimensional view of pool performance and health over time. I'll switch the view to 24H so we can see a full day of pool activity. Notice how the chart updates to show moment-to-moment variance. Now, clicking 7D reveals the longer-term trend. A flat line here represents stable, consistent operations, even across larger timescales. In the recent pool blocks section, the current 0 is verifiable on-chain. This pool publishes its zeros openly because a block find is a rare fact, not a marketing claim. Below that, the block wall heading marks where our permanent visual history lives once a find occurs. At the bottom of the page, you'll see we support rented hash rate from platforms like NiceHash and MiningRigRentals. Built on an open-source ckpool fork, SoloFury requires no KYC, ensuring your privacy while operating on independent, transparent software. That covers the pool-wide view. Next, let's open the personal dashboard that every miner on this pool gets automatically. No signup needed, just a wallet address. This is your personal SoloFury miner dashboard, a truly non-custodial experience where your wallet address is your account. There are no signups or logins required because the address in your URL identifies your mining session instantly. In the identity header, you can see your current online status and the specific wallet address all your rewards are tied to. The utility buttons here serve specific roles. Copy grabs your address, Pool returns you to the global view, Share creates a snapshot image, and the Log button provides a text file for troubleshooting. Moving through your metrics, your current hash rate is 200.00 TH per second with 1 ASIC online. Your network share is a vanishingly small fraction of the global total, but every share counts. We also track your best share, currently 112.4 GE, against the network difficulty to show how close your hardware is getting to a win. This summary strip highlights your probabilities, not promises. Solo mining is inherently probabilistic. These daily and weekly odds are calculated from current network difficulty to give you a statistical baseline of what to expect over time. Your mining chart acts as a health monitor. Flat lines show stability, while gaps indicate connection issues. Below, your worker table tracks real-time performance. The workers table breaks down your connection, showing hash rate, uptime, and the last share received. It is the quickest way to verify that your machines are reporting incorrectly. In the workers table, Your S21 worker is active in Europe, currently hashing at 193 terahashes. As we monitor the last share and best difficulty, we see that hash rate refresh to 204 terahashes, confirming machine health. Finally, the blocks found section shows 0, which is normal for solo mining. Each row in that table hides far more than it shows. Let's stay on this active S21 machine for a moment and look at what sits underneath before we dive into the specifics of its performance. I'll click the Expand toggle now. Every worker row expands into a full live diagnostic panel, providing deep visibility into the machine's operation. Everything inside this panel is live data, updating continuously while the worker keeps hashing. The Stratum session section displays the masked origin IP for privacy, along with the current session length. Here you can also verify the difficulty mode set for this specific connection and the timing of the last authorization. Moving to the Performance 24-hour section, we see the hash rate chart and the 30-day uptime SLA percentage. The best difficulty reached here provides essential context for current hardware performance. Looking at Pro Insights, we see the health score gauges for uptime, stability, and recency. These 3 metrics provide a quick check on overall worker health at a glance. The top 5 best shares list is particularly insightful. Each bar represents one of the closest attempts this machine has made at successfully finding a block. The share rhythm chart for the last 12 hours serves as a visual heartbeat. It shows the steady and consistent flow of work being submitted by the hardware. In the hash rate trends section, comparisons against long-term averages fill in over time. For newer connections, the dashboard shows building history instead of displaying incomplete or misleading data. Finally, the Reconnect timeline for the last 30 days tracks connection stability at a glance. It allows a miner to quickly spot any patterns of recurring outages or instability. This comprehensive diagnostic panel is essentially how a miner verifies their machine's worker health and operational efficiency without needing to be physically present at the hardware. It provides peace of mind that everything is running exactly as it should. Verifiable on the public blockchain. Point your miner at the pool and this dashboard is yours. Links in the description. Ready to claim your own dashboard? Simply point your hardware at the pool and this page is yours instantly, with no account required. All the links and configurations you need are in the description below.